What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We put out a number of videos from time to time, so you also need to hit that notification bell so you know when we put out the videos. Now, a few weeks ago, we had this online event where we looked at the new fundamentals of digital marketing for brands and agencies in 2021 and beyond. It was about 2 hours long content, and the good part is, whilst it was 2 hours, the good part is that the feedback we've received so far has been very amazing. It's been very encouraging. Shout out to everyone who sent us the feedback. But what we wanted to do as well is to break up that 2 hour session, really focus on the extremely useful part of it, so to speak. So we've broken this down into about 8-part series. So this is part 1 of that 8-part series. Each video, I think, is about 7-8 minutes or so, max 9-10. So please, check out the entire playlist. I'm sure you're going to get a lot of value from it. Like I said, the feedback we've had so far has been really encouraging. So let's get right into it. So the first fundamental we looked at during the session was the fundamental, the big picture. Now, the thing about this is that when it comes to digital, historically, what we found, or what I have seen, is that quite a number of people, in putting together their digital marketing strategy and everything they do with digital, they seem to not want to take into consideration the big picture. The big picture in this case is, what is the overall business objective of the business or the project or the brand? Because it doesn't matter what we do, tactically speaking, if it does not have any strategic, implication at that level, I think it definitely falls flat. So I think it's very important that in putting together digital marketing strategies for brands or projects or businesses, you have to definitely consider the overall business objective. Now, when you have that overall business objective, you also need to then look at it you also now need to distill that business objective down to a platform or channel level objectives, which means the overall business objective, for example, is to drive summer sales, right? The platform or channel level objectives might be for people to redeem a specific coupon code that was created to drive business objective of summer sales. So whatever we are doing at social media or forums or the website or any other digital platform, whilst it is targeted at, driving the redemption of coupons, we also know that redemption is driving the overall business objective of, driving summer sales. I think you get the point with what we are looking at in that regard. The next thing I wanted to talk about is that the facts are in. Unlike historically speaking, we could have gotten away with vanity metrics like fans and likes and things like that. But now, $4.8 trillion by year end 2021 projected global retail e-commerce. Like never before, digital has to now play front and center in delivering overall business objectives, whatever those things are. So that's the demand that has been placed on us as marketers. So as we develop those digital marketing strategies, we definitely need to look at how is what we are doing delivering the overall business objective, and how have we distilled that overall business objective down to platform channel level objectives, so that ultimately we are delivering on the business objective. That is fundamental number 1. There should be a video link somewhere on this video, so just make sure you go straight to part 2 and check out the next fundamental. It's about 8 parts. Trust me, you're going to breeze through it. We're trying to keep this as short, as sweet as possible. So again, thanks for checking out the video. Please check out the link in the description, just so that check out the link in the description, just so that you are able to follow the entire series and consume all the content we have. By the way, if you really want to replay or watch the entire virtual event we had, no problem, we'll put a link in the description as well. I also would like to talk about, most times when I do presentations, people kind of ask me about what I use to put my presentations together, and that resource is Canva. Canva is my saving grace for everything that has to do with design, presentations, and all this kind of thing. So make sure you check out the link. It's a free trial, I think. Check out the link in the description as well, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you again. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you again, guys.